Your website is one of the most powerful tools for attracting clients, but only if it's done right. Unfortunately, many therapists make mistakes that cause visitors to leave without taking action. In this video, I'll reveal the top 3 mistakes therapists make on their websites and, more importantly, how to fix them. The number 1 mistake? Focusing too much on credentials and achievements. Don't get me wrong, your qualifications matter. But potential clients aren't looking for a resume. They're looking for someone who understands their struggles. Shift the focus to the client's needs and pain points. For example, instead of saying, "I have 10 years of experience in CBT," try, "I help people struggling with anxiety find relief and regain control of their lives." Make your website about them, not just about you. The second mistake? Failing to guide visitors on what to do next. Many websites leave potential clients wondering, "How do I book a session?" Or, "What's the next step?" Every page should have a clear, visible CTA. Use simple, actionable phrases like, "Schedule your free consultation today," or "Get started on your healing journey." And make sure your CTA buttons are easy to find and stand out with bold colors. The third mistake? Websites that feel chaotic or outdated. When visitors are greeted with too much text, mismatched fonts, or confusing navigation, they'll leave, even if you're the perfect therapist for them. Keep it clean and calming. Use simple layouts, and limit each page to one key message. Also, professional visuals. Use high-quality photos and calming colors like blues or greens. And organize pages logically. About me. Services. Contact. Make it easy for visitors to find what they need. Your website is often the first impression clients have of your practice.
By addressing these 3 common mistakes, you'll create a site that builds trust, keeps visitors engaged, and leads to more bookings. A polished, client-centered website can make all the difference.